Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will show you how to make this kind of wavy border around your granny square project. Um, this one is really fun to make, and it's really just made up of different kind of stitches following each other. And this one is also one where you can kind of modify it and adjust it and make it your own. So let's get started. So I just finished my round of single crochets and we can get started with the first wave. So first we're going to do a single crochet like that. And in the next one we're going to do a half double crochet. So if you don't know that one, yarn over, go into your stitch, pull the yarn through so you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That is half double crochet. The next one we're going to do 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So 1 and 2. And in the next stitch we're going to do 2 treble crochets. And a treble is done by yarning over twice, going into the stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over, going through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and yarn over and go through the last 2 loops. So that is a triple crochet. Again, yarn over twice into the same loop, pull the yarn through so you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And now we have the height of our wave. So now we're going back down again. So in the next stitch we're going to do 2 double crochets. So we're kind of mirroring the side that we did coming up. So 2 double crochets, and then in the next one we're going to do 1 half double crochet like that, and then a single crochet, and then the wave is done. And in between the waves I like to do a single crochet, a slip stitch. So let's slip stitch, and we can do one more wave. So let's do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. The next stitch we're going to do 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and then we're going to do 2 treble crochets in the same stitch. So 1, 2, 3 times, and 1, 2, 3 times, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 and 2, and then 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and then a single crochet. And now we have made 2 waves next to each other. Let's have a look at that. So I think this is a really nice border for large projects because you're just creating this kind of wavy feel all the way through the project. Let's have a look at the corners. So we are actually right at the corner, and we can just get started. We can see what that looks like. So we forgot our slip stitch, and then we do, then we do our single crochet. And this is where you, and a half double, this is where you need to decide for yourself, and 2 double crochets, what you like, because somebody like the wave to sit right at the corner, and some people just actually don't really want a wave in the corner at all. If you don't want your wave to be in the corner, you can just do slip stitches or single crochets around the corners. And when you are at the right distance from the corner, you can just get started on a new wave again. And again, a blanket only has 4 corners, and it will be a very small portion of your project. So I don't think that, you know, the corners are not standing out as much as they are right now, because this is just a small sample. And let's slip stitch and let's see what that looks like. So here's the corner, and as you can see, we kind of dodged the corner completely. So we have this, you know, kind of kind of line up here. But and that might be what you like and what you want, but the issue is that you don't know when you get to the next corner whether or not this will be happening. But maybe, let's say, in the next corner you finish your wave over here instead of over here. And if you still want something like this, just go ahead and do slip stitches till you get over here, or single crochets. Just make sure it's kind of like, you know, if you have 2 or 3 single crochets until the corner, then do 2 or 3 out of the corner again, and then just start your wave over here. It's really not a problem. Another fun thing you can do is, if you really like this kind of building up and building down, you could, you know, modify it a little bit. Maybe you would think that 2 half double crochets look better, or maybe you want 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochets, and you can kind of build, you know, on the length of the wave, but also on the height of the wave. Just use this kind of mirroring technique where, you know, you get up and you do the same thing going down, and then you can create these really nice waves, especially nice for bigger projects. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.